I'm happy to say that new recruitment has come down drastically, and it has come down because of a joint effort by the civil society, by the parents, by the police officers on ground who maintain a very close liaison with the people whose wards are likely to drift away. We take many preemptive actions which are not brought to fore deliberately just to ensure the security of the youth concerned, the boy concerned. But let me assure you that the number of such youth is quite sizable, who are almost at the brink of going away, but we were able to get them back to their families. So that's a great achievement, hidden, of course, from your open press conferences. But informally, many of you also know that that is happening. And that's happening with the full involvement of the police and the security forces on ground. 2 operations in the last 24 hours. Very clean, very neat operations, ink-based, specific, no collateral damage, and above all, which is a matter of great satisfaction for us, is at Mees, Pampo, local Jamia mosque was used by the terrorists. They ran away from the target house and entered the mosque. But our field commanders on ground exercised lots of restraint. We continued to keep that area in a cordon and use slightly different tactics and ways to handle this operation. And I'm happy to report that by this morning this operation was over, and you only would all be agreeing with us that the kind of thanksgiving which came from the people, I've seen a couple of videos coming from the people themselves, that the police and the forces have conducted this operation in an extremely professional way, and even the minutest loss, damage to the mosque have been prevented. It goes to the credit of our field commanders and our members of the force working on ground, who despite provocations are always ready to exercise as much restraint as possible. In fact, I complimented the team for this beautiful execution of the operation without any loss, and I expressed my happiness in people's satisfaction after the operation that this operation was conducted very, very professionally by the security forces, security team on ground. Similarly, Shopian operation was also a clean operation. These groups belong to HM and LET. Identifications and all would follow later, but as of now, 8 of them who were threat to the civil society, day in and day out, was harassing people, causing physical loss to them, have met their end, which of course, as I said, does not bring happiness, but then it's a step forward to further stabilizing peace in this region, which has been troubled for very, very long. During the last about 5.5 months, 100+ terrorists have been neutralized. 50+ of them are from Hizbul Mujahideen, around 20 of them Lashkar-e-Tauba, 20 of them from Jaish-e-Mohammed, and the rest are from smaller outfits like Al-Badr, AGH, etc., etc. Similarly, Jammu region also have conducted number of successful operations, around half a dozen of them, in which around dozen terrorists have been neutralized in Jammu region also. Our Pir Panjal range is very well under control. Doda Kishtwar range is almost now nearing to be militancy free, with one terrorist remaining in Doda district and 3 of them in Kishtwar. We are conscious of the fact that our neighbor and agencies which are there to perpetuate violence in this region are making efforts to infiltrate, send in more numbers of terrorists from various sectors. We have been adequately responding to that threat. You are aware of Keren sector where 5 of them were neutralized. Recently you know of Naushera sector in Rajouri where 3+1, 4 of them were neutralized. And you also know a group of terrorists which came from IED and was subsequently neutralized at Nagrota, Jammu. So our highway grids, our border grids are fully alert. We are in position to take care of any emerging challenge anywhere, and we would definitely be on the side of our people. They've been very cooperative. They have extended all kinds of cooperation. It gives me immense pleasure to say that the last full year and about 5.5 months of this year have been one of the most peaceful months that we had in terms of handling law and order in general and the law and order situations around the operation sites. That has happened only because people are cooperating. I would also like to compliment our youth. If they are not drifting away, if they are not joining terrorist ranks, despite huge provocation on daily basis by Pakistan and its agencies involved in the terror business, credit goes to our youth. They have perhaps started seeing through the game plans of these agencies which have brought violence, death, destruction to this beautiful place. So my compliments to the youth who despite provocations are moving on the path of peace. We would also like to help and assist those who have gone adrift, as we have done in case of some people whose names and all I'm not disclosing, but we are ready to do it for others also. Anybody who's gone adrift, willing to surrender, come out, hand over his weapon, maybe confidentially, we would welcome that, and we would make sure that we provide him with whatever support he needs to lead a new peaceful life. Thank you very much.